Hi, the next time you're out having your favorite barbecue or even your favorite Mexican food or your favorite hamburger grill place, stop and wonder what is making that meat taste so amazing. A lot of us don't even realize that there are many flavors that create that from the wood. For instance, some of the restaurants we supply is Burnt Barbecue here in Plano at Custer and Parker, and they use our beautiful pecan for all of their Mexican and barbecue creations, which are top notch. And for instance, the Westin Hotel and Resort up in Frisco at Lebanon and 121 area, they use post oak. And they have probably the best brisket I've had anywhere in North Texas. They make amazing things. There's an amazing new restaurant down in the Bishop's Arts District. It's called Written by the Seasons. And they use a half and half combo of our pecan and either our apple or our cherry or even peach when we have it. So they mix fruit woods and pecan woods, and they're an upscale grill, barbecue, even sandwiches. Everything they do is amazing. There's also a really cool pizza wood-fired oven place down in Deep Ellum. They're called Main Street Market, and they use all post oak as well in their pizza oven. So next time you're out and about, think about the wood flavors you're getting in the amazing food that you're buying from local restaurant and eatery places. And if you know somebody personally that owns one of these little places, give them our name, Texas Woodman. We're one of the few places in North Texas where you can get all of these amazing flavors, not only retail like you, our customers, are doing, but wholesale as well. Behind the scenes, that's what we do. So thank you for your business and keep eating out.